What would you do if you heard strange noises coming from beneath your home, and then people started vanishing? In 2009, in a peaceful Pennsylvania suburb, residents of a modest duplex began reporting odd thuds and muffled voices echoing from their lower floors. The unsettling sounds escalated, and within months, 2 tenants, Matthew Green and Lisa Carter, disappeared without a trace. Police found no signs of forced entry. The only clue, a series of scuffed shoe prints leading to a locked utility door in the shared basement, the padlock untouched. Forensics found faint traces of blood on the concrete, but DNA yielded no matches. Neighbors whispered about prior tenants moving out abruptly, citing sleepless nights and the sense of being watched. Authorities canvassed the area, yet no one saw the missing pair leave, and security footage from nearby streets revealed nothing unusual. Despite renewed attention in 2023, when ground-penetrating radar suggested voids beneath the property, the case remains unsolved. If this story intrigued you, like, comment, and subscribe to FrightFix84 for more real-life horror. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at FrightFix84.